Okay, so bukod po sa OOI, meron din po tayong isa pang joint venture savings. Yung sa atin po, no, hindi po ito subject sa withholding tax kasi po tayo ay nandoon sa cooperative sector. At sa batas po ng cooperative sector, ang mga interest earnings natin in the cooperative ay tax-free. Ayan. So, meron din po tayong Melendres Agricultural Farms, JVS o MAF4, no? Ito po yung ating launch dyan. So, ano ba yung background ng Melendres Agricultural Farms, no? Ito ay leading supplier of vegetables to Organic Options Inc. It was established in 2001. So, 24 years na po ito in operations. At ang location nito ay sa Antipolo, Rizal, sa Malico, Nueva Vizcaya, sa San Juan de Mata, Tarlac, no? Ang financial performance po nila, 7 million in annual sales. Ang kanilang operational self-sufficiency ay 125%. Ibig sabihin, 25% ang kanilang above, no, doon pag kinompare mo yung kanilang income over expenses. Ang kanilang total assets ay 18 million pesos, no? Ito pong working capital joint venture savings natin for Melendres Farms is to support the growth of Melendres Farms, no? It will fund their day-to-day operations. So if you become a member and support and choose them, no, you help finance social ventures serving marginalized communities while promoting inclusive growth and social development, no? So SEDPI will execute a joint venture with Melendres Agricultural Farms to fund a specific project. At ito po yun, no, ang kanilang day-to-day operations, ang kanilang project na susuportahan natin. It will be used to purchase raw materials, fixed assets, or payment of personnel, no? Kasi working capital nga siya, no? SEDPI charges a fixed service charge to MAF, non-interest bearing ito, no? And SEDPI will also execute a joint venture with the social investors to fund MAF. So kayo po yun as kasosyo members. And the social investor gives joint venture contribution to participate in the SEDPI joint venture with MAF. Okay? So SEDPI pays out the social investor based on the performance of Melendres Agricultural Farms, and social investors do not become owners of MAF nor of SEDPI. Joint venturer po tayo, no? Okay, so ano po yung terms and conditions natin dito? Ang available amount lamang po ay 1.2 million pesos. The maximum amount for fresh deposit is 1.2 million for new and existing investors. Ang maximum amount naman po ay 600,000 pesos for existing investors. First come, first served basis po ito, no? Ang joint venture contribution po natin ay 10,000 pesos and in multiples of 10,000 pesos thereafter. Ang maximum contribution po ay 500,000 pesos for this JVS to ensure diversification of your portfolio, avoid concentration of portfolio to a few, at ito po ay walang entry fee. 1 year po ang term, quarterly po ang payout, no? May 3% exit fee if redeemed before the end of the term. Payouts will be in your wallet but they will not earn, no? So, ang rate po dito ay 9% per annum based on diminishing balance. Wala po itong guarantee, kaya ang tawag po natin ay kasosyo, no? We are sharing in the risks and profits of the venture. Okay? So, how to join SEDPI Co-op? The first step is to accept sign the terms and conditions by attending the pre-membership education seminar, pay the share capital and membership fee, and create your SEDPI Kasosyo online account. So ito po yung ating first step. Yan po ang ating QR code. Visit lang po natin ang bit.ly/sedpicoopPMES. Step 2, pay the membership fee. Visit bit.ly/sedpipay or scan our QR code. And step 3, create your SEDPI Kasosyo online account or visit bit.ly/sedpi-KSO. Pwede nyo po rin pong iscan ang ating QR code. Ayan. Membership is open to all Filipino citizens of legal age who believe in SEDPI's mission to promote ethical, inclusive, and sustainable investing. If you want to get in touch with us, ito po ang ating mga contact details, and our member relations officers will be glad to assist you. Ako po si Sir Vince mula dito sa Madrid, Espanya. Nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan at napagtutulungan.